So, what is an estate plan? Believe it or not, I'm seeing a lot of videos and receiving a lot of phone calls from potential clients or current clients saying, "Hey, do you offer estate plans? But what is really the difference with an estate plan versus, let's say, a trust or a will?" Well, here's the difference. An estate plan includes a trust, it can include a will, but it also includes something called a medical derivative and a durable power of attorney. Say that fast a couple times. A durable power of attorney as it relates to your finances. So, what does this actually mean? A medical derivative means, hey, if something happens to me and I am incapable of helping myself answer the medical questions by the doctors or the nursing staff that's there, who's going to be able to answer that question for me? Think about that. Have you ever actually thought about that? The other part is, let's say you're in a hospital and you are just in so much pain, but guess what? Your phone bill is due, or your mortgage, your rent payment is due. Who's going to be able to make those payments on your behalf? Do they have access to the information? Who do you trust to do that? And so, part of an estate plan will include things such as a medical derivative and a durable power of financial a financial power of attorney. But it can include more than that, right? Let's say you have a home and some people have heard of ladybird deeds, but the idea is that your estate plan might include a deed that has been prepared for, let's say, your children or your mom, who can help if something happens to your property or happens to you and you're unable to make these decisions, like, let's say, filing your property taxes or paying property taxes. In the future, you might say, well, I think I want to give my house to my son or my daughter, but they're under 18. What can I do? Well, as part of your estate plan, you can actually put a deed inside, have it signed and notarized in advance, but you don't record it with the Register of Deeds office. And the reason you don't record it is because you don't want to hinder or cause any issues with the deed you have in existence now. Or you don't want to trigger what's called a due sale clause. And that's a paragraph in a mortgage where the mortgage company says, hey, if you ever attempt to do anything to change the title or ownership of the home, we have the right to request the entire balance of what your mortgage is, how much your mortgage is paid, or how much the outstanding balance of your mortgage is. And so you don't want to trigger that clause by simply trying to protect your future assets. So one of those things is you can put a signed deed into your estate plan. The other thing is, let's say your property is in the name of an LLC.